to quickly show you how you can install WordPress on your website on both SiteGround and Cloudways. Now, of course, I covered both in my YouTube tutorials, but I think this will be a lot faster for you. You can watch the YouTube tutorials for more information like, backups, security, SSL certificates, and so on. But let me show you how you can quickly get your website up and running on these two platforms. Now, if you're with SiteGround, once you've logged in, you will see websites up here on your main menu. You click in there, and then right here, you just click on new website up here. You click in there, choose your hosting plan. Let's continue. Now, right here, you have three options. You can go with new domain where you'll have to buy a new domain name again and then proceed, or you can go with your existing domain. You click on select and then choose your domain name that you bought from SiteGround, or you can go with temporary domain where SiteGround will create a temporary domain for you. It's free. You can see right now it's created this one for me. I'm going to click on continue, and by the way, the process from this point on is the same for either the temporary domain or the existing domain options. Right here, you're going to click on start a new website. You click on select right here to install an application, and right here you can go with WordPress, or if you're taking a WooCommerce course, you can go with WordPress plus WooCommerce as well. But I'll recommend you just go with WordPress right here. You click on select, and then you just set up your login details. You enter your email address right here, your password, click on continue, and oops, I should have entered an actual email address in here. My apologies. Okay, let me just quickly fill that out. Okay, click on continue, and you don't need to add the site scanner. You don't need that one. Just click on finish, and there you go. So right now, SiteGround will create the site for you. Let's move on to Cloudways, and let me show you how you can add your website. From here, from servers, you want to go over to applications on your main menu up here. Okay, so from here, you click on add application, the green button. Okay, and then from here, you're going to choose your server that you have with them. You click on add application. And then from here, what you're going to do is you select the application. You want to go with WordPress version 5.6. It might be an updated version depending on when you're watching this video, but currently it's 5.6, so 5.6. Now you can name your website. So I'm just going to call my own test website, just as an example. Test web site. Project, just leave that as it is, and then click on add application. And there you go. So Cloudways right now is installing WordPress on the website, and so you can see right now it will take approximately 2 minutes. SiteGround has already finished. So from here right now, you can go to the Access WordPress admin. You click on the button right here, and this will take you straight to the back end. So you might see this warning telling you that, hey, the site is not secure. That's because you've not yet installed an SSL certificate, but it's fine. You can go ahead and proceed to the website. Okay, so you can ignore the error warning, and there you go. So with SiteGround specifically, they do have the starter wizard. You can just click on exit to exit the wizard and take you straight to the back end, and there you go. So from here right now, you have WordPress installed on your website. You can then proceed with the course. With Cloudways, let's see. Okay, it's gonna take about a minute, and I'm just wait for this one to finish. Now, once again, my YouTube tutorials on both SiteGround and Cloudways will cover everything that you need to know, from creating email accounts, installing SSL certificates, taking backups, and so on and so forth. Let me go ahead and close this too. And there you go. So fortunately, Cloudways has finished installing WordPress. So you're gonna go back to your applications. And then right here, you should see the name of your website right here. You click on test website right there. Just click on the link. And then from here, you will see now the application URL right here. You will have the button to launch your website. And there you go. So from here right now, you can see Cloudways has installed WordPress on this temporary domain. You can now simply from here go ahead and access the backend wp-admin. And there you go. You simply log in, provide your username and your password, and you're good to go. So hopefully this video has shown you how you can get WordPress installed on your website with both SiteGround and Cloudways. If you have any questions, of course, do let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next class.